Okay, so let's open up to page 518, lesson 1, life science, cell structures and functions. Let's read the key ideals, which are the learning objectives. Key ideals: the basic unit of all living things is the cell, which carries out the life functions, including movement, growth, and reproduction. All cells have a cell membrane, cytoplasm, and genetic material. Unlike an animal cell, a plant cell contains a cell wall, a structure that gives the cell rigidity and shape. Let's look at the top of page 518, the first paragraph. All living things are made of cells, the basic unit of life. Some organisms, like bacteria and protozoa, are unicellular. They consist of a single cell. Others, like plants and animals, are multicellular, consisting of many different types of specialized cells. For example, humans have skin cells, blood cells, and nerve cells, to name just a few. All cells carry out the basic life functions: movement, growth, cell maintenance, reproduction, and the manufacture of specialized substances. Let's continue to the next paragraph, and you should be following along in your book. Although cells differ widely in size and appearance, they all have basic structures in common. All cells have a cell membrane, a structure that keeps the cell's contents separate from its external environment. The cell membrane is selectively permeable, which means that it allows certain substances such as water, nutrients, and waste to pass between the cell's interior and the surrounding environment. Inside the cell membrane is the cytoplasm, a watery jelly-like substance that can include other cell structures. Finally, all cells have genetic material, which contains coded instructions for carrying out the cell's activities. In bacteria, the genetic material consists of a single molecule suspended in the cytoplasm. Bacteria are called prokaryotes. In all cells, the genetic material is contained within a nucleus. Such cells are called eukaryotic cells. All plant and animal cells are eukaryotic. A typical plant cell is shown below. Note that a plant cell has a cell wall, which gives the cell shape and rigidity, and an animal cell does not. And we have a sample cell. I found one similar to that. It has all the different parts, but it has a couple of extras. So let's see if we can pull it up and show it to you. But you have a cell structure there in your book. So you can see it has most of the parts that of the one you have in your book. The cell wall, mitochondrion, cytoplasm, ribosomes, cell membrane. I'm reading from your book, the different parts, and you can see that here, that the diagram all shows. So these things: the nucleus, chloroplasts, and this one here that people have a problem pronouncing, vacuole. And I know these are all scientific technical terms that we don't use on a daily basis, but all these are parts of a plant cell. And remember one thing that they mentioned in the last sentence: what differs a plant cell from an animal cell? A plant cell has a cell wall, and animal cells do not. Okay, so we're going to stop here. That is the end of this lesson.